Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to create QR code for Google Chrome, and I will make sure the process will be simple and quick. Let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we already created a form in our Google Form option. You can do it from blank, so scratch, but we already have some default forms, so we are going to work with those. So we need to be second option, that will be Canva. So here I am going to search apps over that place in the left corner, and it will take a while, and then you will get the option for search. So here you need to be write QR code. Once you write here, they will give you some suggestion. Just click over here and click your first one and use a new design, or you can use existing one. So going through this one, and let's find something, yeah, that will be perfect for me. You can see we already have one, so I will ignore it. Then go over here, and here I am going to click on publish. Once I click over here, we will get option in this pop-up box that copy responder link. Just click over here and make it shorten, and then copy. Once I copy here, I will get this QR code option. Just paste your URL here and click on generate code, and you can see our code has been generated, and now we can use it. If you want to scan it, you are allowed to scan it, and you will get the redirect to our form page. So the process is really simple and quick. I try my best to understand you as simple as possible. So if you find out this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video.